Guess I gotta hit him with an update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit a nigga when you at the front gate. They act like that, no. Hold up. Guess I gotta hit him with the update.
Boys and girls. Otherwise, that's Mr. Zino's brother, boys. But yeah, we have made it over to Pro Spray Oro Bore. I think today might be the last day we are here. So yeah, let's pull in and go find out what's popping, what's happening. You guys know, you guys are familiar with this yard. So yeah, let me park up behind Mr. Zino. I think that's Jermaine's car over there. But yeah, boys, let's get a word thing. Welcome back to yet another video, boys and girls. Today, as you guys just saw from the clip, we have made it over to Pro Spray Auto Body. Today might just be the last day that the car is here, hopefully. I saw Mr. Zino, I'm looking at Mr. Zino now. Mr. Zino is here, he's doing his final touches to the car. Hopefully today we take the car home today, fingers crossed, because I actually want to do a nice sick reveal video at another show that we will be going to tomorrow, featuring a very special guest. I might say it, I might not say it, Mr. JZQ himself, who knows. But yeah, boys, let's go have a listen. I see Mr. Waheed, I see Mr. Zino, I see the big E46. Boys, we just brighten you guys up a little bit. Mr. Waheed, how are you? Good, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, no.
Where's the light today? Not
Is at school?
No.
Yeah, so we will be coming a bit later. Yeah. I have to. No other way. Mr. Zino, come greet us, man.
No, man.
How are you, Mr. Zino? Take the hand, Mr. Zino. What you eating, Zino?
Macaroni, Russian and chops.
Yes, sis. What the guys are eating, man. Yeah. You're gonna get fat, Zino. You can't be eating such things. You're still young to look like an old uncle. Hopefully today, Mr. Waheed. Definitely. So there you guys heard it. She's coming home today, boys. Yo, Zino. Mr. Muin.
What's up, my guy?
How are you, my G? You good? You also eating? Fingers is... You also gonna get fat, but you jump, so you won't get fat. Nah? Yeah, nah. You would jump, that's why I don't jump.
Chinese.
Get you.
These niggas dismissing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas will quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hits to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit, cause all I know is speaking on some shit.
Boys are buzzy, gents. Look at Mr. Muin. He's buzzy. Buzzy. Always. But you must wash my next, nah? Nah?
Is it going to the show, bruh?
Yeah, with the NP, man.
It doesn't deserve.
Oh, you say my car don't deserve?
I'll wash that one.
No, wash this one.
I'll spray this one.
But then you must wash it.
Yeah, after I spray.
Yeah. So yes, boys, we just over. Am I too dark? Do I look dark? I don't know. Yeah, boys, we made it over to Pro Spray now, as you guys saw. We are gonna be finishing the car off today. There's a few butts, like the beadings. The beadings are just gonna get flatted and sprayed now. Zino is polishing, as you guys saw from the cinematics just now. Zino is flatting and polishing. The wheels, I do have a plan for the wheels. I'm gonna try my best to take the wheels to wheel collision to get the wheels redone, and then do like a gloss finish or diamond cut on the lip. So that won't be done thus today. I asked Zino if he can try and just polish the wheels as well for me, just to give it a little bit of a shine as well, and then we'll take it from there. But yeah, boys, we gonna sort the car out, and then hopefully later on Neva will pull through, Keandre will pull through, and then we'll take the car out, feel it, have a look at it nicely when it's done and dusted. And then my boy Mr. Zino over there, don't know if you can see him. I say, yay. But yeah, Mr. Zino's gonna do his magic, and then Mr. Muhin must just watch. You must watch the NP for me because yeah, no, it's a problem.
What do they want? Flawless auto wash.
Come tell the people why you doing what you're doing. Why is it important for you to flay the car first and then polish instead of just polishing first?
Polishing. So you get some dust in the spray wood, some small fish eyes that you need to drop and fix up. So you can balance out the clear and balance everything out. Balance out the clear, balance out the paintwork, so it can be all even.
Yeah.
It's like almost like a factory, whether you want a lot of orange peel or less orange peel, or it's all up to you how you want it to be done.
And for those who don't know what orange peel is, can you just explain to them what orange
So
peel is?
orange peel is a very light, looking like a texture, like a texture of the clear coat, not the paint, unless it's 2K. So if you see, I can't really show, but I'll show you later what I'm talking about. You have a small like orange peel effect to it. It looks like an orange peel. Let me put it there. That's what it looks like, orange peel, like that rough texture
roughness, okay.
on the clear coat. So you cut that, you flat it more lower and more down, so it can be more factory finish when it's getting polished.
Yeah.
So actually why we flat is to cut mainly dust, and it can even out the clear coats and then we polish. So that's why we flat cars.
Okay.
So some people call it sanding down cars.
Sanding.
You get wet and you get dry. Two both. So yeah.
So why are you using the wet technique?
The wet, so it's a new, it's a fresh paint job. So I actually want it to smoothen out nicely, and it's actually easier when it's wet. When it dries, it sticks too much on the paper.
Okay.
See? So yeah, that's why you get a dry sand and you get a wet sand.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Zino.
Cheers.
Sweet. Saying, boys, I don't want to go too close because the vacuum cleaner is on, but they're 325 there, guys. It's a 2.9 original 325 on the tag, no sunroof, electric windows, but it's stroked to a 2.9, boys. The only thing that the car needs to do is it needs to go on dyno, because the car actually, is running dictator. So I'm thinking of maybe it's just Jermaine wants a lot of money, because I don't know, is it Pro Spray's car, did they buy it from Jermaine or what? But I'm thinking I don't know if I should, boys, because that's a lot of money. Because it would be nice to have a whole 2.9 dictator 325, and it's original 325 on the tag. So comment down below, let me know what do you guys think. Should we scratch deep down in the pockets and maybe give Mr. Jermaine an offer? Who knows? We might walk away with a comment down below, let us know. I don't know if you're gonna see this, boys, but let's just see. Let's just see. Can you see Mr. Zino in the reflections? I can see you in the paint, my boy. Just us. Yeah.
So you love your color?
Of course. Okay. But you're making it nice for us, Mas.
No, it has to come out nice.
And tomorrow we're going to Stan Social. So yeah, you're gonna see this car, the reveal tomorrow, boys. Look here, look who's here. The boys are washing the cars over here.
Now it is.
Look who come from school. Yeah. It's a full house today, boys. We have Jermaine, we have Mr. Leroy. Mr. Leroy sold the M2, boys.
Otherwise, Mr. General.
Very
nice, my boy.
Easy, my G.
How's the car coming along?
Ask. Morning.
Morning.
Next week.
How are you?
Coming out. Who fooled that the car's coming out this week?
Huh?
What's that?
Car's only coming out next week, bro.
Only next week?
Yeah, I don't know who fooled
No.
that. What about Keegan?
You're gonna break his heart saying that. You see,
Come,
now his
check
face is changing.
his face. Check the man's face.
He's getting sad and stuff. What's wrong?
Check him, you know, yeah, check it. You know, you see when top of the eye starts jumping, you must know.
Twitching.
Yeah.
It's like, okay.
Check that side eye. Check that side eye.
My boy.
How's the car, my boy?
You late again.
I'm not
I'm
late.
joking.
Oh, for what? I'm not late. Oh, hey. Oh, you're gonna.
So boys, these are the new beatings that they went to buy by BM because the old ones didn't fit. So they just got color now, and then we're fitting it just to make sure that they fit nicely. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there. Still the rear bumper to be flatted and polished. Oh, it's flatted, it needs to be polished. The bumper sitting nice and flush now. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but it's sitting nice. Looks pretty damn awesome. Remember, if you saw this cut out here, there wasn't, that piece was completely gone, and look how it looks now. Super clean, boys. And then we have Mr. Zino just flatting the bonnet, about to get polished. Right, Mr. Zino?
Yes. Almost.
But have a look at the car now, boys. Completely different.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ayy, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ayy, type of love I can't hide. Ayy, maybe wanna blow your line. Ayy, you dope finna slow your line. Ayy, I never wanna blow your high. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face.
It's evening time, boys. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's load shedding. Huh? Yeah, there's it, that's it. So yeah, Mr. Zino, it's load shedding. Unfortunately for us, we can't finish the car today for the show tomorrow. So we are gonna try our best. Mr. Zino's gonna try his best to finish a car tomorrow morning. Hopefully, we can get a car up and running and sorted by tomorrow before the event, which is gonna be like crunch. So yeah, no, unfortunately load shedding. So now we're just gonna give the car a nice wash because that's what it needs now, and then just to minimize work for tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens again tomorrow. So yeah, Mr. Zino just washing the car up. Nasty. There's Jermaine's box. So yeah, boys, catch you guys 3 weeks later. Yes, boys and girls, today is actually the last day. You guys saw what Zino was doing. The car is pretty much done. I didn't vlog the rest of the process because a lot of stuff went left, right, up, down, but the car is done. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Today is actually the last day. Today is pickup day, but you guys are not gonna see the pickup because you guys are gonna see the reveal video after this video. So yeah, boys, I'm on my way now to pick up Uncle Neo because I'm with this man over here, and this man don't have license and he's only got a learner, and the roadblocks are like heavy. So I was thinking I'm just gonna give him, let him drive the bakkie home. It's not so suspicious, won't really pull him over, but the way the roadblocks are crazy today, I just got scared. So I phoned Uncle Neo. I'm gonna go fetch Neo now. We're gonna pick up the car. I'm gonna pick up Neo, pick up the car, go drop the car. After drop the car, then I go drop Neo. So I think yeah, that's gonna work out nicely. And then we are gonna be shooting the reveal video for the E46 this afternoon. Fingers crossed, hopefully. If not, tomorrow. And then yeah, catch you guys when we get to Uncle Snappy's place. Ow! Fere! Who's that?
Who are you?
Easy. Who are you, Ntwana?
Tell us who you are. What's your name?
Mr. Friendly guy.
Yeah.
Hi,
This
Danko.
is the man.
Yeah.
Kiyo Kiyo no more no. Are you
Nice to
happy?
meet you, my man.
Look at him acting shy.
My boy. Hi, man.
Not ya va. Ntek no ke so re ya va. What up? Wifi. Ke tsona.
Thank you, Tuan.
I'm not.
Must I bring it for you later on?
Yeah.
Of course. How?
Sweet.
How can you not?
Danko.
Come on.
Awe.
Not problem. Come
Sharp,
on. Awe.
I meet up with this uncle over here.
Uncle.
Yeah, Uncle Neo. We just linked up with Uncle Snap with Chance. We just met up with a boy. So he's gonna help me fetch the E46. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Which is gonna be the reveal video. So stay
Also,
tuned
this is
for
not
that.
the reveal video.
No ways. This is I'm closing the last video. Yeah. So yep. So yeah. Hope you guys are ready. Because we are.
CCP going up, boy.
Yes sir. Make sure you subscribe to my boy.
To the most, boy.
Shout yourself out, boy.
Yeah, snap with chance. To the most, guys. Link is down below.
Yes.
Go to 10K subscribers. And I don't know if most of you guys watch my channel, but I was telling that I haven't done that, my boy. But yeah, guys, I was telling, I don't know if you guys watch my channel, but yeah, I was saying for us to check out the E46 328i, we need to get to 10K subscribers. We're on 6.5 now.
Yeah.
So yeah, we getting there. Keegan,
Yes sir.
what road are we on now for your channel?
For me, let's say 5K.
5K. Isn't enough? Okay.
And come there one day. Oh.
No.
But yeah, boys, I'm definitely gonna catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Flawless auto wash.
Yo.